All right, hello everyone. It is it's Vim here, and today I'm going to make a calculator app. I mean, a calculator by using this C language. You can expect how hard it is to make, but I'm a boy who never give up, so I'm gonna try it until my ass rolls off. 45 मिनटको समय अब सुरु हुन्छ। यसै साथ सुरुमा प्लानिङ बनाउँछौँ। सकेसम्म म कम्युनिकेसन स्किल्समा पनि म ध्यान दिनु एकदमै जरुरी छ मेरो लागि। किनकि आई थिङ्क फ्युचरमा मैले धेरै कुरा गर्नुपर्नेछ कम्युनिकेसन स्किल्सको थ्रुबाट। तब एउटा सिम्पल प्लानिङमा जान्छौँ हामी। सिम्पल प्लानिङमा जान्छौँ। अब हामीले के बनायो भन्दा सकेसम्म ओके लेट्स गो थ्रु बाई स्टेपमा जाउँ होइन सुरुमा के छ भन्दा 1 मा चाहिँ हामीसँग गर्नुपर्ने कुरा के रहेको छ भन्दा सुरुमा टेक अ युजर इनपुट। सबभन्दा सुरुमा त हामीले युजरको इनपुट हेर्नुपऱ्यो। टेक अ युजर इनपुट। तर युजरको इनपुट के को थ्रुबाट लिने हो भन्दा एज अ टर्मिनलको थ्रुबाट लिने हो। तर त्यसमा सुरुमा त युजरलाई आस्क गर्नुपर्छ कि साँच्चै तिमीलाई क्याल्कुलेटर चाहिएको छ या छैन। त्यसैले म यो प्रिन्ट गर्छु टर्मिनलमा, डु यु वान्ट क्याल्कुलेटर टु युज अर नट। यसमा y/n हुन्छ, यस अर नो। स्टेपमा यो हुन्छ र 02 मा इफ युजरले यस गर्यो भने यस भन्यो भने हामी इन्टर दिन्छौँ। यदि नो भन्यो भने सरी भन्छौँ अनि साइड लगाइदिन्छौँ। अब यो केस चाहिँ कहाँ आउँछ भन्दा यदि युजरले यस भनिदियो, मानौँ युजर छ, युजरले भित्र कोड्नु खोज्छु, यस भनिदियो। अब यो यस भन्दाखेरि अब यो भित्र चाहिँ कुन कुन कन्डिसनहरू रहन्छ हुन्छ है त। यस भन्दाखेरि यसमा हामी एउटा कन्डिसन हुन्छ, मेन कन्डिसन हुन्छ हामी यसलाई, जुन कन्डिसन चाहिँ के हुन्छ भन्दा लेट मी ड्र लिटल बिग रेक्टेङ्गल ताकि सबै टेस्टहरू हटोस् है त। युजरले यस भन्यो भने हामी युजरलाई दुईटा इनपुट माग्छौँ। सुरुमा इन्टर द नम्बर टु दी ए अनि यसै गरी इन्टर दी नम्बर टु दी बी भनेर माग्छौँ, राइट। अब युजरले नर्मली सुरुमा एमा चाहिँ 3 लेख्यो, बीमा 2 लेख्यो। यसको रिजल्ट त 5 आउँछ, राइट। यदि एड हो भने चाहिँ, तर क्याल्कुलेटर हो, क्याल्कुलेटरले गर्ने काम के हुन्छ, एड, सबट्र्याक्ट, डिभाइड, मोडुलस यिनीहरू हुन्छ। त्यो पर्सेन्टेज अलिक बेग्लै हो, त्यो अहिले यसमा हुँदैन। गरौँला तर यसमा अहिले हुँदैन, पछि त्यो फिचर पनि I'll make sure to add it. But for now, अहिले हामी सिम्पल क्याल्कुलेटर बनाउँदैछौँ। ओके, ब्याक टु दी पोइन्ट। एमा गयो र बी दियो, 2 दियो र 5 दियो। अनि कि हामी यसलाई डाइरेक्ट एड गरिदिन्छौँ, त्यो त हाम्रो एडको मात्र काम हुन्छ, त्यो त एउटा क्याल्कुलेटर भएन, त्यो एउटा सम दिने एउटा आउटपुट मात्र हो। सो अगेन वी आस्क, what do you want with A and B, तर तिनीहरूले चाहिँ फेरि के लेखिदिन्छ मलाई ए र बीसँग के गर्नुपर्नेछ भनेर सो वाट डु यु वान्ट विथ ए एन्ड बी मल्टिप्लाई तर युजरलाई म अगाडि नै ब्रिफमा म इन्ट्रोडक्सन दिन्छु यति 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 हो भनेर ताकि युजरले पछि धेरै नपरोस् होइन एम आउँछ एस आउँछ ए आउँछ र डी आउँछ यसको सिम्पल मिनिङ भनेको एम भनेको मल्टिप्लाई भयो एस भनेको हाम्रो सबट्र्याक्ट भयो ए भनेको एड भयो र डी भनेको डिभिजन भयो अब युजरले यहाँ हाल्छ अब के चाहियो युजरले जब त्यहाँ सिम्बल भन्दा नि सिम्बल छोडेर यसले त्यहाँ भएको एउटा क्यारेक्टर एउटा सिङ्गल क्यारेक्टर हाल्छ एमएसटी यस्तो के हाल्छ है त अब यसपछि चाहिँ हामीले गर्नुपर्ने कुरा भनेको हामीले चाहिँ अब रिजल्ट देखाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ त्यो प्रोसेसमा गइसकेपछि अब हामीले आउटपुट देखाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ सो सिम्पली हामी प्रिन्ट गर्छौँ योर रिजल्ट इज भनेर अब युजरले हालेको युजरले चोइस गरेको हाम्रो एड सबट्र्याक्ट गरेर हामी युजरलाई रिजल्ट प्रोभाइड गर्छौँ सो दिस इज हाउ इट सुड बी वर्क सिम्पल भाषामा यस्तै गर्नुपर्ने छ यही हो टर्मिनलको थ्रुमा मैले यही गर्नुपर्ने छ तर अब यसलाई कोडको वेबाट गर्ने हो भने यसलाई चाहिँ कसरी गर्ने है त कोडको वेमा हाउ वी क्यान डु इट फर द्याट we really need something very logical thinking. Again, I'm saying we really need a very logical thinking. मैले एउटा भिडियोमा हेरेको थिएँ अनफर्चुनेटली मलाई त्यो भिडियोको नाम थाहा भएन त्यो च्यानलको नाम थाहा भएन बट इट वाज अ रियली हेल्पफुल फर मी एन्ड आई नो इट विल बी रियली हेल्पफुल for the other also. Those who think programming is a math of series, programming is just many logical thinking. It's so vast, so complex. It's not like that. You know what we do with programming? You know it right. Programming means we are talking with the machines. We are giving instruction to the machines, and they are giving the output as we want. And any programming language is free, right? So we can give instruction whatever they want, whatever we want, and whatever output we wanted to have. We give that kind of problem instructions to the computer, to the machine, but in a simple way. For an example, let's take an example of an grocery store. There's a person, and you have to buy an egg. But in a big wholesale grocery shop, there are many gates, there are many floors. So, what you tell to that person who is new at that grocery shop? You tell them, you tell him that, okay, listen to me. First, you need to go inside to the grocery, and after that, you have to take a lift, and in that lift, you have to go to the third floor. And after reaching the third floor, exit the lift. And after reaching the third floor, you have to straight walk at the balcony and look for the title and look for the name visit and look for the name raw meats or egg shop raw meats and egg shop. And when you find it, just enter that egg shop. But I want a really small egg, so you have to look for it, but I will not make him that much look for him. I will not make that much hard for him. So I tell him you have to go straight and turn the right. And you can see there is a many small eggs and there are white eggs, a little brownish egg. And you have to pick me a white egg. You have to pick me four white egg and five brown egg. So he'll go over there and it is so easy for him to take that. He don't have to roam. Okay, I'm at the grocery shop. I have to buy egg, but where to go, how to go? He didn't have to ask anyone. It's so straightforward for him to go and purchase that, to go and buy that eggs. So he will bring that eggs, but there is not any conclusion right yet. He will purchase that egg, and after that, he will take a lift and go to the down floor and exit. That's what we need to say to make him clear and to get the product what we want, to get the output what we want by giving them an accurate and logical instructions. And that's what we all do in the programming language. So if you think like that, you are the owner. You will not feel that much burden. You just need to think about, oh, how do I say him to do that? What if that code is my friend, and how do I say him to go to the that place, reach out that place and bring me that? So exactly you have to think something like this. Every programming language have a kind of different structure, syntax, and some different features, but all programming language is used to communicate with machine. It produce a different kind of vulnerability, accuracy, timing speed, performance speed. But after all, we all need output. For many people, we need at a very fast way, at a medium way, at a very slow way. Very fast way, just like telling a people, telling their people, go and just purchase me that. But you still need to say some argument to them. You know what I mean? It's just like giving an instruction, right? Sorry, मैले मजाले बुझाउन सकिनँ. But I'm still improving my English. I believe I will improve my English. Okay, after this, let's group it first. And here's another things which I need to share. And this is the most important thing. But it's a coding. Now we have created a plan what we should do and what we have to do. Here's a code part. I mean, here's the algorithm. How to write an algorithm. But I wasn't good at writing algorithm, and I haven't write it before. I write few often times. So what I need to do, that is first step, print give the user the info about how to use the calculator and what are the meaning of the single characters, right? So this is the first step. And what will be the second step? That is after that, after the first step, we give the user the information, then we have to print out. Okay, now print. Now ask the user wanna play it or not. If users say no, then exit the game or don't let the user play the calculator game. And another is if users say yes, then execute the functions. Execute the functions or remaining process. This is quite long, right? If users say yes, then we have to do is take a input. Take a input. Take any two input of number. Take any two input of number. दुईटा कुनै नम्बरको इनपुटले and store it to the variable 06. Take this symbol of plus minus into divide and 07. After taking the input, what we need to do, it's simple. It's very simple. If user has a confusion from myself that if the user really need a loop, like if user has make any mistakes, I have to go through the loop, right, to get again and again actions. So I have to set the while into true while loop, and follow the executions if the user has taken a choice of the one, and if it is false, then we'll ask the user again, did he want or not. Enter the while loop and conditions should be true. 08. At the 8 point, when we enter the while loop, we need to take a input and we have to process it. If the do the process according to the input symbol. If there is the add, then add the two variable to user input. Same for others. 09. If user wants a break, then we will tell him to do not write exit, or maybe we can tell the user check if user has typed the exit or not. If user type the exit in the input, then we need to omit the code. print thanks for playing the calculator game. So this is all what I need to do. यति सबै मलाई गर्नुपर्नेछ। मलाई थाहा छ म गर्नु सक्छु भनेर, तर नि त्यति साह्रो पुरै भरोसा त छैन। किनकि धेरै कुराहरू छ मैले सिक्नुपर्ने, मिस्टेकहरू छ। यो टर्म यदि पाइथनमा भएको भए अझै सजिलो हुन्थ्यो होला। जावा स्क्रिप्टमा भएको भए धेरै नै सजिलो हुन्थ्यो होला। तर यसमा रहेको छ अलिकति गाह्रै छ। सीमा गाह्रै छ किनकि धेरै कुराहरू इम्पोर्ट गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ। एउटा प्रोपर एल्गोरिदम चाहिएको हुन्छ। तर मसँग सोलुसन छ। त्यो सोलुसन के छ भन्दा म स्क्रिनसट लिन्छु र च्याट जिपिटीलाई भन्छु, च्याट जिपिटी सी यो चाहिँ मेरो प्रोसेस हो क्याल्कुलेटर बनाउनुको लागि। यसमा के कुराहरू हेल्प गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ तिमीले त्यो सकेसम्म गर। के कुरा इम्प्रुभ गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ त्यो नि भन। अनि कस्तो फिडब्याक छ मलाई त्यो भनिदेऊ। So first, being polite, being kind, say good good afternoon chat. I have a task for you. You know what task that is? I have a task for you, and you know what task that is? It's to check my photos of this things. यो फोटोभित्र के रहेको छ त्यसको जाँच पडताल गर। Well, I'm tapping really slow, I'm thinking slowly, I'm reacting slowly because I want to make a very list and few mistakes and I want myself to think much more clear. I have a task for you. Could you please could you please check the image? Could you please check inside of the image? Inside of the image where I'm trying to show that this is the algorithm and the diagram of how to make the calculator app and how it should be working in the C programming language. So I want your help on this. You maybe wonder, you maybe know about it. What kind of help do I need in this? But let me tell you, please give me the right way to fix this more and give me the correct and appropriate algorithm. Please give me the right way to fix this more and give me the correct and appropriate algorithm which is easy to understand and work on it. Don't write the C code right now until I say it. You can give me the more information through the algorithm, I guess. Import the string number or other strings. You can give me the more information through the algorithm, like this import the string numbers or other things. Could you? I also want better explanations on it. So I'm hoping the right answer and the algorithm from you. Thanks, Ed. I mean, sounds so silly right now. Good afternoon, nice work. By the way, image already sound clear. Thinking that basically designing a menu-driven calculator. I help you clean it up, fix logical gaps, and make the algorithm super clear. Plus, exam beginner friendly. What's good in your current diagram? What's need fixing and improving? Final corrected and simplified algorithm, step by step, no C code. What did you what you did right for real? You used yes, no decision flow, that's correct. You planned input process output code core CS concept. You added loop idea calculator keep running very good. You thought about exit condition. Many beginners forget this. So yeah, concept wise you are on the right track. What needs fixing improvement problem in current version. Steps are slightly mixed. Loop exit input order. Import string number is not clear in algorithm terms. Symbol like MSAD are confusing. Better to use plus exit logic should be inside the loop, not random. User instructions should be clear at the start. Algorithm should flow like a story, not notes. Correct and easy algorithms, improved version. Below is a clean, logical, beginner-friendly algorithm you can directly convert to C later. Algorithm, simple calculator program. Start the programs, display the instruction to the user, explain what the calculator does, explains variable operations, plus for additions, minus for subtractions, multiplications, symbol for multiplication, slash for divisions, E for exit. Ask the user, do you want to start the calculator? Yes or no. If the user enter and display a goodbye message in program. If the user enter yes, if the user enters Y character, then continue. Step 5. Initialize requires variable. Variable for number, integer or float. Variable for operator, single character. Enter a loop. Calculator keep running. Inside the loop, ask the user first enter number, ask the enter second number, ask user to enter operational symbol. Check the operational symbol, add two numbers, subtract seconds from the first, multiply, check if second number is zero. If zero, show zero message, perform divisions. Else perform division. Display the result. Ask user, do you want to continue? After result, do you want to continue? Why then? Enter if user enter E, exit. Repeat the loop. Thanks for using the calculator in the program. Key start loop. Work perfect. Operator car number food field X. Operator la car mali number la float mali loop do while fit perfect here. We won't touch code until you say so. I think I need to copy and paste this. So we'll copy it slowly. We'll copy it. Move to this, and we will select all. Control V, and here is our algorithm. It is back, but this is the correct way to do this. So for me, it is fine. It is fine. Thanks. बीच में मेरा आधे घंटा नींद लगेगा समझ See ya guys.